This time on Barn Find Racing. This is where we take this car 1,200 miles, blow it up one day before the Spectator drags to Freedom Factory, and jam it back together. Here's the whole story. Hope you guys enjoy. You gotta wait till tomorrow. Tell everybody how you're feeling right now. One day before race day. What happened, Piercy? Tell them what happened.
Too much nitrous. It's a real bitch.
Yeah, okay.
Too much nitrous, blew the head gasket out of it, got antifreeze in the intake, off the exhaust. Everywhere it's not supposed to be. Basically got antifreeze everywhere except for the radiator. It's a great deal.
But it is January, was it 20th or 21st?
Yeah.
And then we're sweating.
Yeah. So, I mean, it's better than being at home, that's for sure.
The weather's pretty nice, I'll give you that. Well, we got one day till race day, so we'll just try to make as much videos as we can. You better win this race.
That's what I'm saying, you. This work trip cost me.
Yeah.
That's good that way.
Mm-hmm. It's good for it. This really sucks we didn't bring gear wrenches. I didn't know we were back in the Stone Age. Huh?
I said hi. Goody, goody.
This is great.
It's a great time. Great time. Great time to be alive.
Great day.
Fuck that new radiator.
Right over the tools. It's just getting worse.
Yard sale. $18, you can own everything.
Look at how much you're sweating, dude.
I'm fine.
This is the best day in fucking January I've ever had, period. We got a scooter gang. Best January 20th ever. Or 21st, or whatever
honestly,
it is.
I mean, we're working on a pile of shit. It's still a pretty decent day. I'm okay with it.
Dude, look how much you've been sweating, jeez.
Where'd that 14 go?
Dude, I mean, I'm sweating, but damn.
Pressure wash it at the gas station.
No, because it's in my name, boy.
Yeah, fuck.
No.
Ain't my name.
That is yummy.
Just side up. Just side down.
You got my light?
Yeah. Got my ass sideways.
Say what you were saying earlier when you were getting ready to pull the intake off. You gotta say it for the people.
Oh, you missed it. You had the time lapse up. You'd have had it.
That is yummy.
You'd have had me yelling.
It looks really good. Maybe we could just pressure wash the whole engine.
Just take it all out, flip it upside down, shake it a bit.
Aww. For the forensic team, it's definitely not, those jack stands definitely aren't too far back, and you're definitely not using a cooler for ballast.
What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Put an earth anchor in, strap it to the ground.
This thing has to go to the Freedom Factory by tomorrow, I think at 5 o'clock. I think, but we don't know. We haven't even looked.
I don't know what time it is.
But the Freedom Factory is right there. There you see the signs. Right, so that's good. And we think we found the deal. Cylinder 7 was the one that was, well, obviously this one. Super clean. It was taking antifreeze and blowing it out and sounding like crap. All the valves look like they're fine so far. This is great content. Great content. I like how you're like, if we get to 7, we'll have done by 7.
Oh, good thing we pulled that in, I think.
Oh, really? Bad? I don't have a light on me. You have it. That one looks clean too. Oh man, it blew both of them out. Just the gaskets though. The heads look fantastic. They look really good. Scum and all. What's the piston look like? Cylinder wall looks fine. Still cross hatches in it. Piston look good.
I don't feel any missing shot.
What's the head gasket look like? Oh, you can see where it blew out.
Oh yeah.
You can see.
Going good.
Yep.
A little less nitrous next time.
It's gonna be okay. Top end rebuild in
I got the chrome spray paint and everything.
all the chrome. Here we go. There's a nice scratched deck surface. That's always good for you.
Well, I scratched the fuck out of that motherfucker. Seals better that way. It really grabs a home.
Yeah, seals better. That's what it is. That was a brand new shirt a little bit ago, and now it's.
You know, that happens.
How do you even manage to get that much grease on?
I don't know. It's talent. I'll tell you what, raw talent.
But you can pop a zip from outer space, so.
I know, fucker I could with the cameras.
Look at you.
It's
Look
a great night. Great night to be alive.
You look like Rocky Hill. Rocky Horror Picture.
That's good for me.
Dude, it's bad.
It's a glorious night in the U.S.
You want me to put USA on? Put your hands up. Miley Cyrus.
Oh, party rocking.
Yeah, party rocking. Yep, that's what it was. Yep.
Gotta keep killing myself. Self-harm is not the right message.
Pop a jet from outer space. Guy got an OnlyFans.
You got it?
How many foot-pounds?
No. 3 August.
Watch back, I built this myself.
4 August. Gotcha.
Brand new. Just came out of the package. Tossed in the dirt.
That's good for it.
It's good.
It's good.
Tight.
That might have been 4 August. Fuck.
You gotta wiggle.
Oh. Popping jets from outer space. Says something like 22 foot-pounds and then like 80 degrees angle. I'm still thinking that Uggers is the right method. We're just gonna call it, 75 foot-pounds. Hope for the best. I don't even know why you need one of these things. It's dumb. It's from Harbor Freight. It ain't like it's accurate anyways. Doing bad shit.
Well, we're gonna have more clearance now. Perfect.
gorgeous.
Home. That's how you get it done. It's 3 a.m.
It's already 3.
Yeah, it's already 3. And yeah. We're all kind of feeling pretty defeated. One bolt won't work with us. So I think we're gonna try to get the intake thrown on it, I think, and I think we're gonna call it a night for a while. Wake up and try to hit it again since it's 4 a.m. and this sucks. Nothing, just nothing wants to work. We're working with minimal tools.
Minimal tools. I'm fucking primitive here.
Okay, primitive tools. We basically did this whole engine deal with rocks and stones and a stick.
I chiseled it out on a piece of paper. On a stone.
Are you alright?
No. This ratchet's about a piece of shit.
I know it is. I hate that thing. Primitive craftsman crap.
Well, I wasn't planning on doing a full rebuild here. I got crashing in a fucking set of ratchets.
Come on, Chris Griffin. Oh, you got it in there. Go a little further. Push. 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 There you go.
Here's the bar.
Okay, where's it at? Oh, it's right here.
It's up my hands, bro.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
There you go. Tink.
I hope so. I wouldn't have to worry about it anymore.
Oh. There, you're back on already.
It won't even catch the next two. This thing is literally the biggest piece of shit I've ever had in my life. As soon as this car runs, I'm gonna pitch this thing across the pits to aggravate some other idiot. With this piece of shit. So far, yet not. choice of flag color if I've ever seen one.
You seriously thought it was flames?
Oh man, it was in the back window in the rearview mirror, and I thought it was flames. I was shitting.
Oh jeez, that's awesome. Last words of death.
Well, it's the last time that side of the car is probably going to be white or red. Not to be white.
White or red?
It's going to be white and red mixed.
Perfect. Well, good luck.
Thank you.
See you on the other side.
This is round 2. So obviously hard to run his best. Yeah, you guys like burnout? Why are you so darn quiet? Alright. Good stuff. And then we got Barber in the top lane, and then we got the Barber right here on the inside. Start with a little bit of wheel speed. Oh!
Keep it in.
Make some noise for my man in Texas!
Pressure you got? Oh, you got oil pressure.
Yeah, we got like 30 pounds.
This thing's golden.
She's knocking like a bitch. She ain't happy.
Hey, we did what everybody else said we couldn't do.